Hi there, my friend Errol Muller here, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to withdraw money from Torobase. Reason being, I get so many comments on my videos and requests of people asking me how do I withdraw my money from Torobase. There's a lot of people complaining that they are not getting their money from Torobase, and then there's also a lot of positive comments where people have commented on my video on those negative comments to say that they've received their money. So in this video I'm going to literally log into my Torobase account. I'm going to do the withdrawal over to my Luna account that I use, and then I'm going to go through the entire process. So in between this video, I'm going to have to pause the video, waiting for the funds to reflect in my Luna account, which might be a day or two after. I'm going to timestamp this video as well, and then I'm going to take you through the whole process up until when I receive my money from Torobase. Now, why am I creating this video? Reason being, we are invested in a forex trading robot called Carina Bot, and this specific robot generates up to 3.9% average monthly returns, compound interest. Now you can just think for yourself, you have to do nothing. It's a VPS robot. It trades on a server, and you literally, once you've made your deposit, you make your money. On the top right hand side there's two notifications. One notification will be where I review Carina Bot, and the other one will be how I actually make deposits into Carina Bot or into Torobase, how to actually start using Carina Bot. Now, who am I? My name is Errol Muller. I am the owner and the founder of Empire Digest. And let me quickly show you, if you are interested in Carina Bot after watching those videos, you can head over to empiredigest.com, Forex Trading Robots. I will actually leave a link below this video of this specific page, and you can scroll down and click on the Access Now button. More than welcome to create yourself an account. Now, at the same time, please give this video a like. Reason being, I would like for this video to rank as quickly, as high as possible within the search engines in order to help more individuals like yourself to make an informed decision, to gather as much information as you possibly can before you make a decision, whether you want to purchase something, invest in something, whatever it might be. And share this video with friends or family who are invested in either Torobase or Carina Bot. I would highly appreciate that. Now, if you feel that trading or investing money is not for you, and you really want to build a long-term sustainable business online and make money online with affiliate marketing, head over to the homepage. Once on the homepage, Empire Digest, you can literally go ahead and click the Show Me How to Make Money button and then follow along. Enough said about that. That is for yourself to check out. Now, Torobase. This is Torobase. This is the broker that you need to use when you start trading with Carina Bot. And what I'm going to do is, I've actually logged in already. I just wanted to show you the homepage. I am logged in right here. So a lot of the data, I will actually blur most of the data because I'm not sure if somebody can hack the account or whatever it might be. In this case, in this specific video, I will also be withdrawing 200 USDC. So call it about $200. 200 USDC to my Luno, and then from my Luno to my personal bank account. So I use Luno. Luno is my crypto exchange platform. And if you are interested in Luno, what you can do is head over to my website again under the crypto tab, which you will also find up top. Let me show you crypto. Scroll down where it says crypto buying and exchange platforms. Click the Learn More button, and then you will be able to get access to Luno by clicking the Learn More button. Now, so like I said, I'm going to withdraw from, I'm just refreshing that page because otherwise Luna is going to log me out. Same with Torobase. Let me refresh that page as well. Now, let's go ahead and let's make the withdrawal. Firstly, on your screen right now is a disclaimer. Take some time, read that disclaimer, and let's continue along. Now, for those of you who also asked me, what is the growth like? I'm actually going to share that with you. So since inception, this is when the account started. It's actually slightly less than that. This is not all the data. I'm going to open up all the data for you. Right up, this is the actual growth of my account. It's currently standing on 688 USDC. I'm going to withdraw 200 USDC, and then I'm actually going to deposit again. The total the actual aim and goal of this account is to have 10,000 USDC starting trading, and then I'm going to leave it to let it compound by itself. Okay. So let's quickly head over to the chart. I want to show you the chart. So this is the actual growth of the chart. This was for the last 3 months. Now I want to drop down and I quickly want to show you the full history of this account. So here is the full history. As you can see, since inception, it has generated a pure profit, a total profit of $97. This was the profit, this was the losses, and the total net profit is 97.58 USDC. Now, in order to prove the full history as to when I started with this specific account, I think it was around the 27th of June this year, the year 2023, if I'm not mistaken. It was around the 27th of June. What you want to do is, instead of chart, as you can see on the top right hand side, I am logged in, Errol Muller, that is my full name. And if you click on PDF, I'm going to say trading report. It's going to download, and then I'm going to open up the report. Just waiting for it to download quickly. Oh, sorry. I'm going to select C, trading report, PDF, full history, and then it's going to download. There we go. It's downloaded. As you can see, trading report. It's actually, oh yes, another thing. I said I was going to timestamp this video. So let me open up this report quickly, and then I'm going to blur some of this data so that you can't see all my account details, but I do want to share with you when this account started, when this account went live. Let me just hover down. As you can see, it is 2023 11/08 12:34. So it's about just afternoon, 34 minutes afternoon, and it is the 8th of November. Okay, so that is timestamped. So by the time I receive the money, I will do another timestamp within the same video. Okay, as you can see on the top right hand side, so from, because remember I pulled the full history, so from 2023 06 2023 or 23, so it's the 23rd of June, sorry, not the 27th, the 23rd. So I started on the very first trade took place the 23rd of June, the year 2023, and here is the time. It was 14 minutes past 9 in the morning, and then the full data is up until right now, 2023 11/08 timestamped, and the time of the broker is set at 10:33, which uses UTC. Now I'm not sure, universal time something, I can't remember. Okay, but that's the time of the broker, the current time of the broker. Now I want to share that. That's basically all I wanted to share with you, to show you when this account started and actually up until when is the data. Now going back to Torobase, so it's been going for, if we quickly had to calculate it, June, July, August, September, October, November. So it's more like 4 months and a few days, call it 4.5 months that it's been going, and it's already generated me about 100 USDC on such a small account like 688 current active balance, 688 USDC. So that is not bad returns at all, not at all. Okay, now let's go into the withdrawal process. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll say withdrawal on the top left hand side, click on make withdrawal. I'm going to make an external transfer because I want to transfer over to my Luno. Let me just refresh that again. I don't want it to log me out. Looks like I'm still logged in. Torobase, select. Then this is the account, my live account that I want to withdraw from. Here's the balance, available balance 688.95. I want to withdraw 200 USDC from account. There we go. Next, and I want to withdraw account 2. Let's just see if we USDC crypto address. Okay, now back to, I'm going to input that address now back to Luno. I have to create within Luno a receiving address, and I'm going to do it on this video. So on the 3 dots, I want to say receive, and then this data will be hidden from you because I don't want to share my wallet addresses with you. One is for yield notes, the other one was for Cash FX Group. And then create receive address. There we go. And then I want to create a receive address of USDC, USD coin. name this address. I'm going to say receiving Torobase, and then in brackets Carina Bot. Torobase Carina Bot. Okay. Create. Ensure you select the correct crypto network. Please only use the ERC20 cryptocurrency network to send your USDC to Luna. If you accidentally send crypto to the wrong, okay, yes, I understand. So I'm going to say got it. Okay, scan to receive. You can only receive USDC to this address. Okay, I'm going to hide that account number from you just so you can't see it. Okay, I'm going to copy that account, the address. Okay, now I'm going to head over back to Torobase. I'm going to hide this from you as well. I'm just going to paste that full URL or that full crypto address. I'm going to say next. Okay, there we go. Message is USDC 200 withdrawal instructional video for YouTube and other for YouTube and Empire Digest followers. That will be you. Okay, that is the message. A USDC withdrawal, let's say from Torobase over to Luna. Okay, I'm going to make that note as well. Okay, let's say next. Okay, transfer submitted. As you can see on the bottom right hand side, I'm just going to hide the transfer code from you, and there we go. UID, transfer amount. I'm going to hide some of these details. I'm going to hide the contra account as well from you, just for safety purposes. And the USDC was a 200 withdrawal from Torobase over to Luna, my notes and everything. And then I'm going to say sign now because I need to sign it. Sign now. PIN code. PIN code was sent to my email address. Just bear with me 1 second. Okay, I am back. So 40. What is that code? Okay, let me rather just hide that number from you, that PIN code. I don't know if there's anybody on this video watching right now who will be able to find a way to scam me or basically steal my money or withdraw my money. Okay, so the PIN code is in, and let's say verify because it sent it to my email address. Let's say verify. Okay. And then transfer successfully signed on the top left hand side. And there we go. You can see my amount dropped down. I'm just hiding my contra account right here again because it's my wallet address. And then the transfer, I'm not too worried about the transfer code. And then as you can see, the amount was 200 USDC. And you can see my new USDC balance is currently sitting at 478.95 USDC. Okay, so as we can see, still 12/41 2023 11:08, the 8th of November. Now what we're going to do is, okay, just hiding some details again. I want to go back to my home page of Luna. Let me scroll up, let's say home. Okay, now that is back to my Luna, back to Torobase. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause this video, and then I'm going to wait up until I physically receive this money within my Luna account, timestamp it again, date stamp it, and show you, because usually when I withdraw, I've done numerous crypto withdrawals from Luna, and that is my platform. When I withdraw from my Luna to my personal bank account, it takes 3 to 5 working days. Then I receive it. I only want to show you when I receive it in my Luna. That's all that matters, because once it's in my Luna, it's withdrawn from Torobase. Okay, so leave me comments below this video. That is very important for the ones who does not agree, the ones who think it's a scam, you watching this video who might think that it's not a scam, and who agrees that you can actually make your withdrawals and that you do receive your money from Torobase. Yes, please leave me your comments below this video right now. So here we are back to where we left off yesterday, and I'm going to share with you actually that I have received my payment from Torobase. I started with Carina Bot, made my investments, the broker is Torobase, and I've actually received my payment, as explained to you, in my Luno account from Torobase over to Luno, my USDC. And then I'm actually going to, while we busy with this video, I'm actually going to withdraw the funds to my personal bank account, so that you guys can see that we are actually receiving our withdrawals, just to stop all the negativity within the market. So like I said, timestamp. So yesterday was the 8th of November. Today is the 9th of November, 2023, 11:09, and the time is 17:22 in the afternoon. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the email that I received yesterday after I initiated the withdrawal, the follow-up email, and then the emails that I received today. I literally received my payment 24 hours after I received to say that it's been processed, and after about 5 minutes after it being processed, it immediately reflected within my Luno. The USDC was transferred from Torobase to my Luno. So let's get started. A lot of the information on this page will be hidden because it's got my wallet address and numerous other personal details. So as you can see, about 4 hours ago, let's actually go, okay, so let's start with this one, it's fine. As you can see, the time was 12:48 p.m., which was about 4 hours ago when I received my funds. You can see, hi Errol, you've received USDC 200, and that is exactly the withdrawal that I've made, and the amount is USDC 200. Okay, the address I've hidden. Here's the timestamp. Look at this: 09 November 2023 at 12:48 GMT +2. So that is my time zone, and that is the time that I've actually received the USDC within my Luno account. And if you go back in this video, I share with you how you can get hold of the Luno application. That is the crypto platform that I use to do all my exchanges of crypto over to my currency into my bank account. Okay, and another thing that I do want to share with you, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you see there it says transaction. Once you click on that, I'm quickly going to open it up. Okay, there we go. It's something called Etherscan. So you can track, if you've got this code, you can actually type in this code. This is the website that we use to track crypto payments or crypto transfers. If you've never heard about Etherscan, you're more than welcome to go look it up. And then you can go and you can literally see this is the transaction. The status was a success from Torobase over to my personal crypto platform, and then the timestamp was about 4 hours 42 minutes ago. And what else? Here we go. Transfer 200 USDC to, and then it shows you my wallet address. Some of the digits are hidden, so I'm actually gonna have to blur that section out because otherwise you see my complete address. But there you go. There's a live proof that the transaction was actually successful and that I do receive my money from Torobase, which is a broker of Carina Bot. And should you be interested in investing in Carina Bot, remember at the beginning of this video, I showed you can head over to Empire Digest. Under the crypto tab, you go to under Empire Digest, you go to Forex Trading Robots, you head over to Carina Bot, and you can get started. My recommendation to you is start with at least a minimum investment of about $600 and upwards. I would recommend about $1,000 or 1,000 USDC to get started with, which is $1,000 to get started with. That is my recommendation if you really want to make money with this. If you can go higher, then go higher. Okay, so then following the email that I just showed you from Luno, let's head over to the next email, which is the email to show that transfer processed 4 hours ago. Okay, so remember the email that I just showed you where I received the funds in my Luno? This email I literally received, look at 12:43. I've literally received this email, and directly after this one I received the Luno email. And here it shows you, here's all the details. Transfer in status processed, and then it gives you everything: type, debit, blockchain, category, current, amount USDC 200, The fee that I paid for my withdrawal was 10 USDC, which is about $10. Here's my full name again. Okay, the next line will be hidden, which is my wallet address. And then here's the message. Remember yesterday we created, or not yesterday, it's still the same video, but it was yesterday, the day before today. We created this message and we included the notes. So look here, USDC 200, withdrawal from Torobase over to Luno, instructional video for YouTube and Empire Digest followers. Withdrawal from Torobase, that is the comment that I made to link what payment, what was this transaction for, and the transaction was to share with you guys that we actually do receive our payments, just to stop all the negativity out there of people trying to ram down Carina Bot to say that they, and Torobase to say that they don't get their withdrawals. Then you can see here at the bottom, status processed, and here was the date. Created 2023-11-08, which was yesterday, and then updated 2023-11-09-10-41, which is today. That is, I think it was early morning hours. I would assume that they've processed it, and then after that, I received the funds in my Luna. So going back, another email, which is this one right here. This was yesterday. As you can see on the top right-hand side, November 8, 2023, 1 day ago, at all the details again, showing you the amount, the fee of 10 USDC, etc. Status pending. So the previous one was processed. This one is pending. Because why? This is when I initiated the withdrawal, when I created the withdrawal. And as you can see, the note, everything is still the same. Message, note, status pending. And here's the date, 2023-11-08. 2023-11-08, yesterday. Okay, next, let me show you the next email. Here we go. Here's the next email. And on this one, it shows you important withdrawal on 9 November at 11 a.m. UTC time zone. So it says there is a new pending withdrawal of 200 USDC from your Torobase live account number to the following recipient address. Okay, this is going to be hidden from you. It's my wallet address. The withdrawal will be processed after 24 hours due to security reasons. So just to prove to you, and here it says the withdrawal will be processed on November 9 at 11 a.m., which I just shared with you. And look at that, exactly 24 hours withdrawal was processed, and about 5 minutes after I received it in my Luno account, in my crypto platform account, exchange platform account. And that's it, just to show you that this is actually true and that it does happen. And it doesn't take days. Some people claim it to have taken 3 months, 10 months, whatever. Literally 24 hours. I've time stamped it for you just now. 24 hours I've received my funds. So let's go to Luno. Okay, Luno, if you remember yesterday, let me just refresh this page to make sure I'm not logged out. Yesterday, this amount I think was 8,000 and something. I've made a withdrawal. So the funds that are left now is the actual funds I've received from the USDC that I've received. And let me show you that I've actually received it in my Luno. Let's head over to wallets. Okay, and under wallets, I also want to see if I can share quickly with you that this is my account. Now, I don't want to do exchange your balance profile, just to show you that I am logged in. Okay, profile, new device, Errol. There we go. Errol, new device, sign in, this time, date, everything. There you can see your account, new device has signed into your account from South Africa. Why? Because I am based in South Africa. Okay, now wallets, 3794, total crypto. You want to click on the total crypto drop down. I've actually withdrawn some of my BTC. That's why the amount dropped. Now look at the USDC. USDC 200. Okay, clicking on the USDC 200, it's going to open up. Yeah, here you can see USDC 200, USDC wallet, and I'm going to show you when I've actually received this USDC. Now, as you can see here at the bottom, it says November 2023, USDC 200 received USD coin into receiving Torobase Carina Bot. You remember we created this previously in this video, or earlier in this video. We created that account, that receiving address within Luno, and we created and we named it receiving USDC coin into receiving Torobase Carina Bot to show where am I receiving the funds from. And here is the date, 09/11/2023, 12:48. That's when I've received the funds. Now to provide you with even more detail, let me quickly scroll down. Okay, that is previously, I don't need to show you that. So I'm going to click on this USDC 200. Let's quickly click on that, and here it opens up the entire, all the details of it. So here we go, USDC 200, received, wallet, USDC wallet, wallet balance, USDC 200, November 09, 2023, 12:48. That is exactly when the funds came into my Luna account, the 200 USDC. Okay, what the address is here in my wallet, and then the approximate value in ZAR, my currency, is about 3,806 a rand. And then you can go again and you can actually have a look at the transaction. You can click on it and it will take you back to Etherscan. Now I want to withdraw the USDC. First I need to sell the USDC, and then I need to withdraw it. So I'm going to go back to home. Not more. Oh, no. Wait. Wallets. Okay. We've got the USDC wallet. I want to sell. You see this sell. So USDC 200. I'm going to sell the entire amount. So sell. I want to sell USDC coin. I'm going to sell. Choose the currency you want to sell for. I'm going to sell it for ZAR, which is mine. I'm going to say max. I want to sell the entire 200 USDC, which is about 3,790 rands at this point in time, because the dollar weakened slightly to the rand. So that's it, and then I just say next. Then it's going to ask me, do I want to sell? This is the selling point. I will actually receive, they take about a 2% fee. I will receive 3,694 South African rands, trading at 18 rand and 61 cents per USDC. And then I say yes, I confirm. As soon as I click confirm, you have sold USDC 200. Okay, that is the amount, 3649, that I've received. This is now still within my Luna account. And I go back to Go Wallet. Now I want to go in, I want to withdraw this amount. Okay, because it's now just lying. Let me refresh this page. It is now just lying within my Luna account. I need to withdraw to my personal bank account. Then I go and I say withdraw. This is my bank account in South Africa. I click on that account. How much would I like to withdraw? I take the amount. I say max. I want to withdraw the max amount. Okay, I'm going to take a bit of a loss, but I want to do an express withdrawal. Okay, an express withdrawal is usually within, I think it's 24 hours, but I've literally made a withdrawal earlier and it wasn't even 5 minutes and I've received the funds in my bank account already. So in this case, I'm going to make another express withdrawal, and then just to show you that I have received it in my banking app. Okay, and then we say next, pay the express, yes. Let's say next, withdraw, exactly that, yes, withdrawal free. I will receive 3629.24. That is correct. I say confirm. Okay, you withdrew. Keep this amount in mind, 3649. This withdrawal will be prioritized as soon as processing hours resume. Okay, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to click done. Okay, not actually. Let's leave it on this page. I'm going to pause this video. As soon as I receive the funds in my banking app, I'm going to resume this video. I'm going to show you that I've received the funds. Let's quickly timestamp this. On the bottom right, it's 17:34, the 9th of November, 17:35. Okay, let me pause this video, and then we are going to continue along. Continuing along, it is now actually 18:31, which is about an hour, almost an hour past, because we submitted the payment request at 17:35. It is now 18:31. Now, what I've noticed, because I couldn't understand what's taking so long, because the previous request was done within like 10-15 minutes. I received my money within my account, and I went onto Luna's website right there. I'm on it now, where it states that the withdrawal processing times is between 8 a.m. in the morning and 15:45 in the afternoon. So in my case, even though I did an express withdrawal, I will only receive my withdrawal the following day, because those are the processing times. So I will actually receive my funds in my personal bank account at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, because that's when they process, between 8 a.m. and 15:45. And I've done an express withdrawal, so I will receive the funds tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. And that is what I wanted to share with you. I wanted to show you that we do actually receive our funds. For all you guys, the negative guys, the ones who just want to ram the products down, especially like Torobase and Carina Bot, and if Torobase and Carina Bot is watching this video, I would highly appreciate if you could take this video and share this video on your websites to show people how to actually withdraw funds from Torobase and from Carina Bot. I appreciate you guys. Please give this video a like. Thank you for watching. May you watching this video have a blessed, wonderful, happy, healthy, financially successful, loving life going forward. And stay tuned because I will definitely see you in my next video. Enjoy.